Life's a journey filled with twists and turns. Every action we take, every lesson we learn. Sometimes we're blinded by our own desires, but what goes around always comes back as fire. The universe watches, it keeps the score. Every deed, every lie, every closed door. Karma's a force, you can't outrun her. If you sow the seeds, you'll reap what you've sown. When the tables turn and you feel the burn, karma's a force, and she's never alone. She's a silent whisper, a gentle breeze, but when she strikes back, she brings you to your knees.